On October 30, 1928, a beacon of hope was born.
A candle in every soul, some brightly burning, some dark and cold. There is a spirit who brings a fire, ignites a candle, and makes his home. So carry your candle, run to the darkness, seek out the hopeless, confused and torn, and hold out your candle for all to see it. Take your candle and go light your world. Take your candle and go light your world. Frustrated brother, see how he's tried to light his own candle some other way. See now your sister, she's been robbed and lied to, still holds a candle without a flame. So carry your candle, run to the darkness, seek out the lonely, the tired and worn. Hold out your candle for all to see it. Take your candle and go light your world. Take your candle and go light your world. There is a spirit who brings
Soldiers who protect,
ignites a candle, and
teachers who mentor,
so carry your candle,
entrepreneurs who revolutionize,
seek out the hopeless, confused,
air hostesses who instruct,
and hold out your candle
scientists who discover,
for all to see it. Take
nurses who care,
go light your world.
musicians who inspire, chartered accountants who manage, police officers who serve and protect,
See how he's tried to
and space astronomers who evolve. These individuals have gone on to make a profound impact on the lasting legacy.
she's been robbed and lied to.
Though he may have departed from this world, his legacy continues to shine brightly through his children as Mr. J.D. Sapphire Correspondent Sir, Dr. Minmeli Sapphire Senior Principal Ma'am, Directors Mr. Jesper Jerome and Mrs. Aarti Jerome, who upholds his ideals and perpetuate his mission. Let us draw inspiration from his extraordinary life and strive to create a brighter future for all, where every individual can radiate their inner light.
I like to start with comment. Okay, I like to start with about our staff. Okay, 3 things extraordinary, okay, is there in our staff. You all should know. Okay, number 1, our staff are known for creativity. Say creativity. You learn from them. You look at them and learn from them. Okay, and see that in your life also. to be creative persons, right? Think differently, act differently. Okay, look for something different and achieve something different what others have not achieved so far, right? That is creativity. And second one, I will observe from our staff, it was there here too, the carefulness. See, in our life, give hand, shake hands to your friends and say, our staff are creative. Our staff are creative. Yes. Second, our staff are very careful. See, we need to appreciate their carefulness. You are all safe here, right? You all look good here. All that and the programs here, always we see the carefulness of our staff and the heads of the institution. So we need to appreciate our staff for their carefulness. Tell what? Okay. One hand above the head and say, ma'am, thank you for your carefulness. Again. Once again. Okay, so you are greeting the staff on this Founders Day, right? This will be very pleasing to our founder. And third, I can go on, but I'll stop with third, their commitment. Whether it is a small program or a big program, whether it is assembly program or an annual day or sports day or regular teaching or coaching or revision or conducting exam, they are committed. What I said? They are committed. Hello? Yes? Can we just lift our hands up above the head and clap and say, ma'am, we appreciate your commitment. Clap and say. Again. Once again. Okay. So thank you for standing with me and appreciating our staff. So new words you should collect. You know to collect leaf, you know to collect stamps, isn't it? You have various albums, right? You collect coins. Similarly, I want all of you to collect new words, right? Anybody, can you tell me a new word, what you read yesterday and what you remember? That word, day before yesterday, you would not have heard that word. Yesterday, you have learnt a new word. Can anyone say about that? What word? The new word which you learn every day, and he is going to come and tell the new word he learnt yesterday.
Drenched.
Drenched. How many of you know the meaning of the word drenched? Huh? If you go in rain, you can say, I became wet. Isn't it? But if you want to use the right word, what he has used is the right word. I'll ask him to repeat. Will you repeat with him? Yes.
Drenched.
Say. Okay, spell drenched.
D-R-E-N-C-H-E-D.
What did you learn?
Evaporation.
Evaporation. How many of you know evaporation? Where can we see that evaporation? Put your hands down. Huh? Water then. Only in water? How many of you are drinking milk? How many of you go and standing near the mom when she is in the kitchen? Have you seen evaporation there? Have you told mommy what happens there? Tomorrow go and say, mom, that is evaporating. Okay? Right, very good.